Okay, Jean-Luc, time to go to bed. Come here. Get in your little cage. Get in your little cage. Okay, get in your cage. What? You don't want to get in your cage? You don't want to get in your cage? What about your cage? Let me get you in your cage. Oh, Jean-Luc. Come on. I'm gonna get you. Come on. Oh. Jean-Luc, that's Madeline's. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.